You can't sit and stare at the chart all day. Nobody can. And the moment you look away is usually the exact moment BTC breaks the level you were waiting on. The entry slips past you, or the stop you meant to watch is already gone. You're left reacting late, on emotion, instead of to your plan. Bitunix Price Alert takes that off your plate. You set the price move you care about once, and the system watches the market for you. The second your condition hits, it pings you immediately, so you're back in control the moment it matters. Let me show you how to set it up. Let's say you're tracking Bitcoin. Whatever kind of alert you want to build, it all starts the same way. Click the alert icon up top, the little clock. That opens Bitunix Super Alert. From this one panel, you can build alerts off templates or combos, off price, indicators, your own drawings, candlesticks, even trading view signals. We'll walk through each of those in upcoming videos, so follow the channel and keep an eye out. For now, let's get back to the price alert setup. Just click the price tab. On this page, the first thing I do is confirm the pair I'm set up on is the one I actually want to track. Then the trigger price. You can base it on last price or mark price. Now I set the trigger condition. Say I want a heads up when BTC comes down to its next weekly support, around 53,000. In the type dropdown, I'll choose Price Drops To and enter 53,000 in the target price field. That's my trigger set. As you saw there, for the condition, you can pick Price Rises To or Price Drops To and enter a target price for the asset. Or you can pick Price Increase Reaches or Price Drop Reaches and enter a percentage move instead, a hard level, or a move of a certain size, whichever fits how you're reading the market. Next, how the alert reaches you. Right now, we support 2 channels, web notifications and app push, and you can set the frequency, only once a day, or every reminder, whatever matches how you trade. Once everything checks out, click Create, and your price alert is live. That's it, the market's being watched for you. You'll also see the alert right on the chart as a line. Need to move it? Just drag the line to a new price. Want to clear it? Click the X beside it. Done. Trading should be efficient, not exhausting. Let the alerts watch the market so you can put your energy where it actually counts, the decision and your real life. Click the link in the description below to set up your first price alert on Bitunix right now. And if this was useful, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next walkthrough. See you in the next video.